Okay. Now we are unboxing MT's gifts for his second birthday party. Yay! Very good. Okay, open. Ako yung ko kayo isa na yan. Gawin na natin bigyan.
Wow! Open. Wow! Wow! Numbers! Wow! So pretty! Wow!
Numbers na.
Wow! Yeah! This one also!
Oh, next.
Open! Yeah! Open!
You know. Numbers, magic.
Wow!
Magnetic.
Wow!
Ilan ba dito mo lagay?
Wow! Dito! Super, hindi naman ang dito na anak na.
Wow! Artist na ang baby.
Duck. Oy, duck ba yan? Hindi ba?
Duck, oh.
Duck nga. Baby duck.
Takot ka lang kasi baka masikagad yung string. Hindi pa nahunong natin agad yung string.
Wow!
Baka pag ituhulak ko paano. Ayan.
Other gifts naman. Other gifts.
So pretty, ah.
Other gifts.
Wow! Yay!
Nakita niya na to?
Ayan, pakita mo lang yun.
Ayan, pakita mo yan.
Thank you!
Open.
Kung ano sabi ko.
Open. Wow! What's that?
Wow! It's like a pillow.
Pillow! Wow!
Open.
Wow!
Thank you!
Pillow towel ata. Pero pillow eh.
Wow!
Sakto ano siyang pillow na malaki.
Balik ka na ulit ng next.
Ayan, next.
What's that?
That's inside.
Pillow! Wow! So pretty! Wow! What's that? Wow!
Doggy!
My doggy! Ow! Doggy!
Ate say, thank you.
What is it?
Yay, doggy!
So,
Ayun na.
okay na ako.
You have
May dog
more toys.
test?
Nabalat of toys pa.
Pakita natin dito.
Gifts or gifts?
Ay, sige, dyan na lang.
Yan. Open also. Open also. Wow.
Many
Many toys.
Are you happy?
Yes.
What do you say to your friends? Oh. Are you happy?
Yeah. What's that?
Wow! Wow, chopsticks! Anak, you're Chinese Singaporean now.
Wow. You have that, Michelle.
Wow.
You have that. And this one?
Wow, cool! Wow!
What is it? Pwede mo makikip to.
Paper bag. Salamat sa paper.
Pakita pa. Next one. Open.
Nilaglag tayo sa gilid natin.
Ay, ano yung phone ba?
Kung saka yung ano, isa yung chopstick.
Chopsticks eh. Alam.
What's that?
Baka mamaya may maitapo na kung hindi ko napapansin.
Gamit ata damit ba yan?
And check.
Open.
Open.
Turn on.
Wow! Thank you!
Is that Minnie Mouse?
Wow! Minnie Mouse!
Wow, may Minnie Mouse.
Wow, pwede ito pa in Japan din yun. Pwede natin gamitin. So cute!
So cute!
Okay, next.
What is it?
Thank you.
Michelle? Michelle, open.
Okay.
What's that? Open.
Ayun po yung bag niya.
Maligat. Hindi naman ito.
Kami laman.
Wow! Pablo! May
May laman na.
laman pa?
Ay, sabi mo mabigat eh. hate it. Ang
Ang
cute.
galing ah. Oh, may tumbler na siya oh.
Wow.
Sira na yung tumbler niya.
Kaya nga.
Ang
Sakto.
cute pa ang social niya. Oasis. May ano pala.
May
Straw.
sakto.
Wow, you have tumbler na. Wow.
Pero yung ano muna, yan muna ikikita natin yung isang unang nakalabas. Yung pangalawa. Kasi lahat eh.
Michelle also.
Michelle, you also.
Open.
Meron pa. Dalawa na lang.
Last two. Ay, last three.
Wow, wala ka. Oh, wala sa pakiram yan. Michelle?
Eh, hotdog.
Wow, you're so pretty here.
Nauna niya yung tinitira niya.
Open, Michelle. Open.
Ganda o ba? Bigay mo dito.
Ayan, ang ganda nga din.
Pang ano ito yung panglabas-labas?
Open.
Yellow mo yung color.
Open. Stand up. Open.
Open. Pagod ka na agad.
Pagod na.
Pagod ka na agad mag-open ang gate.
What's that? Open.
Ayan, yung bigay ng tita Karen naman na.
Wow.
Bag.
Wow, beer.
Wow.
Oh. What do you say? Thank you. Oh.
Wow, cute din oh. Oh, gift. Then, still have gift.
Ano ba? Open.
Wow, Barbie. Bakit ng bambal ko?
Open.
Gusto ko na kasi ayaw na yung paano.
Open.
You open.
Oh, kitchen.
Ay, kitchen.
Yes, normal video, time-lapse. Normal lang naman.
Video.
Normal video.
Wow,
Okay na
Yan
naman.
ang normal video.
Thank you. Last na, bigay na Tita May and Tita
Uy, no, last one.
Juliet ito. Tita May and Tita Juliet.
Wow, so big. Open.
Ang babay ko.
Not
Babay
yet.
na.
Don't say bye-bye
Ay,
first
bye-bye.
to your friends.
Open.
Ay, sure ka sa vlogging anak. Nauna kang nakakita sa ano.
Wow, so many. Open. Oh.
Pinagsama nila Tita.
Oh, may letter pa. You read.
You read.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
God bless you always.
Happy always, Tita Juliet.
And Ate May, Tita May.
Ate May. Open. Oh, Michelle. Wow. Michelle, open.
Yan, there, no? Open. Michelle, there.
Michelle.
Yun, open.
Wow, doktor.
Wow, doktor
Wow.
naman.
Doctor.
Wow.
Doktor.
Doktor set. Wow. So
Ay,
big.
yung una niya. May pasyente ka na kaagad ah.
Ay, dad.
Yung pasyente agad yung una yung napansin eh.
So big.
Bago lang naman, Aris. Medyo nag-multiply na naman yung kalat mo sa kumpul.
Kailangan ko naman ligpit ng mga
Victor!
old na toys.
Mga isang container pa ulit, mag-ready ka na.
Ito. This one, open first. This one,
Open na
open.
lang. Ang bilis naman anak.
Open na agad.
Muna anak. Ayan.
Hey, one more.
One more,
Michelle.
MK, last one.
Ano ko itatawag ko
Michelle,
muna.
Hindi, kahon-kahon lang. Muna po.
Open.
Hindi makita na nga kaya kailangan niya yung
Huwag na-divert na sa iba.
What's that?
Ay, wow.
New friend.
Wow, what's that?
Baby.
Baby.
Oh, baby. Bunny. Happy little bunny.
Wow.
Say.
What do you say?
Wow. Happy little bunny. Hop.
Are you happy?
Hop.
Are you happy?
Oh.
Ha, Michelle? Are you happy? Ha?
Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Yes. Okay, let's say bye-bye na to
Sino ba?
Bye-bye, love you.
Love you. Like this.
Mwah. 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 Thank you. Thank you for my gifts.
Thank you for my gifts.
Bye-bye.
Love you. Yung mo pa pala na-record.
Na-record. Wala pang ginawa anak.
Sa ginawa, hindi pala nag-record eh, no?